Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In this video we will learn about SQL drop statement. SQL drop statement is basically used to remove or drop the entire table from database or entire database from server. So let's understand and let's implement. Let's say I want to remove this products table from my database. Okay, so drop table and then I will write table name over here. You can simply drag this table from here. Sorry, over here. Okay, so if you execute this one, look at this command completely executed successfully. So right click on table and refresh. Look at this, we don't have a products table in this database. So this is how you can remove tables using SQL drop statement. You can also drop entire database. Let's make sure what is in this sizes. Let's say I want to remove this test database, so drop then database and then I will write database name over here. Oops, instead of this I can simply type drop database test. So click on this one and click on execute. Command completed successfully. Now if you refresh databases, look at this, we don't have test database in our server. So this drop statement is used to remove database or entire table from database or whole database from our server. So this is very useful, but this is very dangerous, or you can say this statement can lead you in critical situation as well. So in case you have some dummy tables or some dummy databases, then you can use this statement to drop them from your server or your databases. So I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and on your social media accounts so that guys can also learn SQL concept. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.